Give your kids an amazing childhood learning experience with the Tactbit 3D magnetic light blocks, in addition to your rich pile of Lego bricks packages stacked away in storage cabinets. With these innovative building blocks, your kids can have an easy-to-handle, thus encouraging and fulfilling introduction to STEAM education and robot building. The light blocks are easy to build and deconstruct, and they also light up gracefully in the dark to provide an exciting glowing feel. Double up as decorative lighting in living room or as nightlight in bedroom. The blocks can be connected in 3D positions to create objects of various sizes and shapes without shorting circuitry. Adding in a sound or recorder cube may even make the shape alive. And to ensure easy construction and takedown, the Tactbit magnetic light blocks are infused with rare earth-made high-power magnets to provide strong attachments and electrical connection. The blocks are highly durable and have been subjected to various integrity tests. To prevent accidents, the magnets are well locked inside the blocks to minimize the risk of swallowing. Building blocks can be a fun game for the whole family as well. Colors and lights are artistically and psychologically important for children's creative development. Tactbit 3D magnetic light blocks can magically change color from warm white to various colors just by turning the power cube to 180 degrees position. Adding more sets of Tactbits to create more elaborate and intricate designs is challenging and fun to do. Give your child a new and exciting STEM experience today with the Tactbit 3D that's setting a new standard in STEM construction blocks. Contact us at sales@tactbit.com or www.tactbit.com.